Facts and laws about drinking and driving. Impaired drivers endanger themselves and others, and they risk severe legal and financial consequences. Drivers make hundreds of decisions for each mile they drive, unless they have been drinking. Sadly, this has led to a staggering fact: approximately 32 people die every day in drunk driving accidents. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, collects data and publishes updated statistics on drunk driving collisions. Laws against drinking and driving. In most states, driving while intoxicated, DWI, or driving under the influence, DUI, results in an automatic license suspension after the first conviction. Driving while intoxicated or impaired by any substance, legal or illegal, is against the law. This includes driving while taking a narcotic prescription medication and operating a vehicle while under the influence of marijuana or any other recreational drugs. States have varying zero-tolerance BAC levels, which apply to drivers who are under the age of 21. Even one drink can put you over the limit, and you'll wind up with an underage DUI. The conviction usually comes with years of probation, license suspensions, hundreds or thousands in fines, and mandatory DUI education. Driving under the influence is illegal in every state and comes with significant penalties that get more severe with each DUI conviction. No matter what state you're in, you can expect to pay hefty fines, lose your license for a while, and have to make modifications to your vehicle. Every DUI conviction comes with a fine. How much that fine will be varies by state. A survey from NOLO taken by people convicted of a DUI found that the average court-ordered fines for a first-time DUI offense were $1,100. All states currently have laws requiring an ignition interlock system on vehicles of people convicted of certain DUI offenses. In some states, insurance companies can also punish drunk drivers who are injured in an accident they caused by denying payment for the driver's injuries. Insurance companies also routinely raise the auto insurance rates of people convicted of a DUI or refuse to insure them in the future. The NOLO survey found the average auto insurance increase after a DUI or DWI is about $800 a year. You can avoid the legal and financial penalties associated with a DUI or DWI conviction by never getting behind the wheel after you've had a drink. Taking a defensive driving course can help you learn techniques to avoid potential collisions with other drivers who may be driving under the influence.